where are we going today? Hawaii. So excited. We're here in San Jose Airport and waiting for the counter to open and then check-ins. Here comes my boarding pass.
Just leave the world behind me. Everybody's moving around. Everybody's losing their mind. Everybody's searching for their own paradise.
After almost 6 hours of flight, we finally arrived here at Honolulu. First thing first, let's take our car and we will head towards the hotel. We finally arrived at our hotel. Seems like we are a little bit early, so we had to wait a few hours in the lobby for our room to get ready. We finally here in the room. Let's check the view. Wow. Today we just went to the nearby beach restaurant to enjoy our evening and ended the night dancing in the street of Honolulu. Hey guys, it's almost 1 in the afternoon in Honolulu, so we are heading towards Pali Lookout Point today. I've heard that the view from there is really amazing. Let's just go and check it out. But the weather today is really gloomy and it's raining. I just hope it gets better when we reach there. I just hope. Finger crossed. Yeah, we are finally here at Pali Lookout Point. Actually, the parking. We will go that way to the view point. It looks already beautiful.
Lately it's been a little bit wild. I wake up wearing this disgusting smile. It's like I hear a parade outside my window. Every day down my street when there used to be a shit show.
The panoramic view of the windward coast of Oahu was breathtaking, and that moment with the perfect view, sound of the wind, I felt completely alive. I was so happy and my heart wanted to dance, to be absolutely present in the moment.
This angel found her halo. I don't really feel bad news anymore. Walking through walls like an open door.
And yes, it's raining. Thank God for a certain time it was not raining. We could see the view at least, but we couldn't stay so long, so we're heading towards our car.
We really enjoyed the view in Pali Lookout Point. Now we are headed towards our next destination called Lanikai Beach. I'll show you guys when I reach there. Ta-da! And it's raining! We are now here at Lanikai Beach. Looks like it is quiet and not crowded today. This is exactly what I was looking for. This place has a very peaceful vibe. I loved spending time here, relaxing. This is probably one of my best experiences in Hawaii. Hey guys, it's day 2. Today we are heading towards Manoa Falls. It's an 150-foot fall. We have to do half an hour hike to reach there in the destination. So let's go. So this is where the hike starts.
eyes when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sleep alone. Sweep the streets I used to own. I used to roll the dice, feel the fear in my enemy's eyes.
I think it's like a waterfall over there.
Let's go.
Should try. Moana Falls was very beautiful. We enjoyed our hike. It was like almost 45 minutes hike. While coming here, don't forget to apply the anti-bug cream because there are a lot of bugs here. And grab some old and grippy shoes because it's a bit muddy over here. So please.
Guess what's the perfect way to end a perfect day? For me, it's watching the sunset. So let's go to La Moana Beach to enjoy the sunset.
I never came to the beach or stood by the ocean. I never sat by the shore under the sun with my feet in the sand, but you brought me here, and I'm happy that you did, 'cause now I'm as free as birds catching the wind. I always thought I would sink, so I never swam. I never went boating, don't get out of here.
Hello, this is our third day in Honolulu. Today we are heading for a Diamond Head Crater hike. As you can see that we have already arrived here. The parking is not so bad. We just have to pay $5 and you can get a lot of parking space. So let's go.
Feeling my way through the darkness, guided by a beating heart. I can't tell where the journey will end, but I know where to start. They tell me I'm too young to understand. They say I'm caught up in a dream. Well, life will pass me by if I don't open up my eyes. So that's fine by me. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost. chance to travel the world, but I don't have any plans. Wish that I could stay forever this young, not afraid afraid to close my eyes.
After a long tiring hike, we finally arrived at the top and it was totally worth it.
And love is the prize. So wake me up when it's all over. When I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost. So wake me up when it's all over. When I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost. 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 I didn't know.
After Diamond Head Crater hike, we decided to go to Halona Blowhole Point.
I threw a wish in the well. Don't ask me, I'll never tell. I looked at you as it fell, and now you're in my way. I trade my soul for a wish, pennies and dimes for a kiss. I wasn't looking for this, but now you're in my way. Your stare was holding, ripped jeans, skin was showing. Hot night, wind was blowing. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. But here's my number, so call me maybe. It's hard to look right at you, baby. But here's my number, so call me maybe. Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. But here's my number, so call me maybe. And all the other boys try to chase me, but here's my number, so call me maybe. You took your time with
And this is me at the end of the day waiting for my food to arrive.
Hey guys, this is our last day in Hawaii. Today we are going to do some water sports. I think we will be doing jet ski and parasailing. I'm really excited for it because this is my first time. Let's see how it goes. Peace out.
See you walking around like it's a funeral. Not so serious, girl, why those feet cold? We just getting started, don't you tiptoe, tiptoe.
This is my first parasailing experience, trying to adjust my GoPro. Want to capture as much as I can.
You should be rolling me up. You're a real life fantasy, you're a real life fantasy. But you're moving so carefully, let's start living dangerously. Talk to me, baby.
It's not so scary, but it feels good to be up in the air. Now next stop is jet ski. This is the end to our 5-day Hawaii trip. Heading back home with lots of good memories. Aloha and mahalo.